Right, like it's gonna warm up my body. Hey, we're on Avery's vlog. You're such a punk. But he can buy me a bow.
Alright guys, I am in Kermit, Texas today. This is spring break 2018. Visiting my family here, and my brother and his wife is here all the way from Lubbock, and we're gonna spend the day together. I have no idea what we're gonna do, but I got that fresh cut. I'm looking good. Gonna go change, and we're gonna go figure out something we should do, so stay tuned. Suck at basketball. Let's go.
Yes, no, maybe. Yeah. Stay woke daily. Gotta go hard, go crazy. Pulling my string on ukulele. Whole team up, feeling too dirty. Let's clean up. Got in my plug now, let's re-up. Down to the ground now, let me up.
Well, if you have not guessed it yet, yes, that is my brother shooting basketball right now. He coaches football, basketball, and he teaches biology in Friendship High School in Lubbock, Texas. His wife is going to a speech pathology school over there. I believe getting her master's or graduates, something like that. But yeah, we're just gonna have fun today. Today's all about us hanging out and chilling.
Go explore the outdoors. This is Austin Williamson. Tune in for this next episode of Outdoor Channel. Let's go, people.
Alright, so as you can tell, Austin loves plants, he loves animals, he loves life. He is a biologist, and that's what he teaches at Friendship High School. So we're going around on a nature walk today, and he's got plants. We're just checking out life, all the amazing things that God has created, and so yeah.
Oh, it's actually a very different species. If you notice the stamens on these little things, okay, they're very different than the other ones. The other ones were very dark. This one has a very light texture on this one. This is very interesting for specimen taking. I don't want to take it with me because I see him. I got it here.
Saw a jackrabbit. Their ears are huge.
And that's all I have to say.
That's all I have to say, and they're fast. What's that? Oh!
Question is why? Anybody want to answer that question?
It looks like a beaver tail.
It looks like a beaver's tail. So settlers would name this beaver tail cactus because of their scene of beavers. So extremely dangerous. Indians used to live off of that stuff. So we might take a bite, but not right now. So plant. I don't know what it is, but I know it's cool. Logger-headed shrike. It's only known. What am I saying? It's known to take lizards and nail them to a barbed wire fence, and then they'll eat them later. Or they'll actually take those lizards and they'll slam them against cactus needles, and they'll kill the lizards and eat them later. Really interesting bird.
Wow, you learn something every day. I did not know that. That's pretty cool.
You know. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if he did. He probably did.
But no, I'm gonna have...
Look at this giant rock. Oh, I can't even lift it.
Oh gosh. We thought there was a dead end, but we're all good.
You can't tell the species by those. I'm looking for those pictures. Those little cups, I think. And a logger-headed shrike.
Shrike?
Shrike.
Strike.
No, like not strike.
Pike?
Like S-H-R-I-K.
Like I like it. Like a
shrike.
like.
Like shrike.
Describe the bird.
It's got a beak that's very curled. It's somewhat long, about maybe 2 inches in length. Very gray. It's got the desert feel to him. Has a beautiful tone. Yellow eye. The eye's not exactly yellow. It's got kind of a darker yellow to it. So we'll have to find out what species of bird this is when we get home. So we discovered another thing about the species. It loves to plant its nest in this cactus, which we don't know. We just discovered this cactus, okay? But it puts its nest in this cactus to protect against predators. And it would make sense because predators can't get into this cactus. I mean, hardly enough. I can't even put my arm within this cactus, about 2 inches. So it thrives in this environment, prevents predators from attacking its babies and its young. Awesome. Awesome idea from a bird, very smart.
There you have it right there. All right. Does that not prove that Austin is a biologist and knows and loves animals and plant species? So yeah, we are on our way back home now. Gonna go search this bird because we have no idea what it is. He described it and none of us can think of it, so off to the house. Alright, so I just learned that's a lote bush right here. And we have a mesquite bush right here. Thorns are, every once in a while, the thorns on the lote bush are more consistent and longer. But the mesquite bush is shorter and less consistent. Okay, so that is the end of today's vlog. Played some basketball with my brother, and me, Austin, and Kara went on a nature walk, saw some cool species. This might have been a boring vlog, but I needed to get something out on YouTube. It's been a while. What I really am working on is an intro video to my channel. It's gonna be really cool. I'm gonna have all my friends in it. It's gonna be awesome of us doing stuff and making funny stuff, and it's gonna be awesome. So stay tuned in that. I'm working on that. It's gonna be coming up really soon. It's gonna be lit. So I will catch y'all later on the next vlog. It'll be later this week. Hey! That is not our dog, by the way. It's just random and it's pregnant, or was pregnant, and it's got ticks all over it. So if you know that dog, come get it.